It's time for some spring style. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. This video is focused on the latest ideas for a spring makeover. The seasons are changing, and if you're like me, you're desperate for some bright colors and lighter textures. And if you're like me, you'd love some warmth from the sun and not from the furnace. So it's spring and it's time to get your home to welcome this new season. It's all about flowers, simplifying your style, and moving things around. I'm a big fan of shopping your own home. Let's go room by room. The entryway of your home is your first impression. So why not welcome not only your guests, but the freshness and lightness of spring as well. Between the Christmas holidays and this new spring season, I love having a clean front door. It's nice to give your door a bit of a breather. But once spring is in the air, I think a lovely spring wreath is such a great way to bring some life to your home. I'm not such a big fan of faux floral wreaths. They tend to lose their vibrancy with the sun and end up looking tired and not so fresh. So I try to stick to spring wreaths with lots of greenery instead. Williams-Sonoma has this lovely rosemary and lavender wreath. It's so lush and beautiful, and imagine how amazing the smell would be just wafting into your home. I love it. But I think placing this wreath inside your home would be lovely as well. Maybe take down a piece of art and add a wreath to your wall instead, like this. Instant burst of spring. Spring style for me is all about paring things down, taking away excess stuff that makes our homes cozy and warm for the winter months, shedding layers. Your entry console should be thinned out too. Like here, I love the rustic feeling of the flowers. Greenery is a must, and this has just a hint of a tiny little flower. I might also remove the basket under the console, find ways to lighten things up and make them more streamlined. Maybe change the accessories to ones that are lighter in visual weight. Pillows are always great ways to decorate for the different seasons. All you need to think about are their colors and their textures. Look for linen and cotton fabrics instead of velvets, leathers, and chunky knitted pillow covers. In this case, I'd change out the faux fur throw and add in something in a lighter weight, like this one here. And I'm loving that little touch of greenery, so fresh. Going back to this entryway bench, I'm loving that landscape painting. Landscapes are very popular this year because they're a reminder of the outdoors and they bring that feeling inside. I love moving artwork around, especially if some art feels more spring-like than others. Landscape paintings are a real trend these days, so look for ways to incorporate landscape paintings into your spring decor. Another way to update your entryway, if you've got artwork on the wall, maybe switch it out for a large mirror instead. This will instantly add light to your entry as it reflects more light all around the room. Your living room is the perfect place to play around with colorful pillows. It's so easy to change the look of your sofa and your entire room. Yellows are very popular this year. You'll see it in fashion and you'll definitely see lots of it in home decor. It's a great color because it's bright and sunny and looks great when it's done in strong patterns like these. You can also find lots of home decor with deep saturated colors. If you want lots of color, this is the way to go. You don't even have to worry too much about matching your pillows with one another. Just look for pillows with vibrant colors and mix them all up. Green is also a very popular interior design trend. If you haven't seen this video yet, it's a must watch. Or even this one. I'll link these videos below. Green is featured heavily in this year's trends, and it's not just about the color of the year. I love this mix of green accessories mixed in with fresh plants and flowers. But it's not just about the pillows. I love streamlining my bookshelves and my coffee table accessories. For the winter months, I love lots of texture and layers and interesting objects as part of my coffee table landscape. But for the spring, I like to minimize all of that and keep the focus on a few things instead. Focus on one thing, like this lovely vase of flowering branches, and keep everything else as simple as possible. I love taking everything off my open shelves and rearranging them. You don't even need to shop for more decor. You may only have to change up the layout to give it a fresh new vibe. And as you rearrange, add in some items from other rooms or group things closer together to get more open space around them. This will make it feel fresher and more open. Look, tiny landscapes in open shelves. And some plants. Oh, and plants? Okay, I'm not suggesting you only have plants in the spring. Obviously, houseplants are year-round and very important in home decorating. But you may want to change out their containers. And I don't mean repotting, just slip them out of your heavier looking decorative pots and place them into new lighter containers or baskets. They give your plants a little makeover and a lift. Your dining room is one of those rooms that can be pretty much set in stone until you actually use it. But I love adding a single large plant in the center of my table. Or even a few smaller elements like this. Simple and elegant, but offers up that hint of greenery that is so important with spring decor. I love a bare table too. I'd remove table runners for the spring. Less layers, less formal, lighter, more casual. And I don't know about you, but I love a colorful tablescape, and these beautiful plates from Williams-Sonoma are just the best spring-like vibe. I often use small plates like these as decorative pieces on my entry console or in the powder room as a little dish next to the sink. Did you know you can get personalized interior design advice from me? I offer up 30-minute design consultations virtually. All you need to do is head over to my Patreon page for all the details. Plus, are you enjoying this video? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which of these spring decorating ideas you're loving. All of that really helps to grow this channel. Kitchens are always alive with activity, but there's nothing better than some life in the form of plants and flowers. Even a simple ceramic pitcher can be a great vessel for some flowering branches. Easy peasy. And of course, if you have an island, a grouping of white vases and flowers is pretty obvious for spring decor. Maybe stay away from the more kitschy side of things and keep it light and simple. No bunnies. No bunnies or chicks. The only chicks, Design Chickee. But imagine what your kitchen would look like if you went all out with plants. I love this wooden planter, and I love it even more because it doesn't take up any counter space. And finally, there's no better way to accessorize your kitchen than with a kitchen runner on the floor. It can completely change the look of your kitchen. Actually, changing out your smaller rugs can really change things up as well. Pottery Barn has some beautiful indoor-outdoor rugs that would be super practical in your kitchen or your entryway. For me, bathroom spring decor is all about little things. I love this little topiary on the vanity. Vanities are important surfaces and a lot happens in and around them, so don't be afraid to go this route. Just a touch of green goes a long way. And you don't even need a full bouquet of flowers. I love buying those grocery store bouquets and breaking them up around the house in smaller arrangements. Just one leaf or some small blooms can change the feeling in your bathroom. And don't forget, your towels can finish up the look. I love this hand towel with that hot pink trim. It's a great little detail paired with those flowers. And aromatherapy is such a great way to make your space feel fresh. Change out your candles, soaps, and diffusers, and not just in your bathroom. My most favorite way to bring in that fresh spring feeling into your bedroom is through bed linens. It's that time of year when you can pare back on your layers and change out your duvet. Again, linen and cotton are great, breathable fabrics, perfect for the change in seasons. I love the look of a linen duvet. This one's from Pottery Barn. And I also love this duvet. There's something about stripes that makes a bed look so clean and fresh. I love all the pale colors in this stripe, which means you can have lots of options for coordinating sheets. And pillows, don't forget to add some decorative pillows to your bed. Check out these Belgian linen pillow covers from Pottery Barn as well. I love all of these colors, don't you? And if a duvet is not your thing, then I highly recommend a beautiful quilt for your bed like this one. It's such a pretty look. So here's your takeaway. Decorating for spring is easy. Look for ways to incorporate plants, flowers, and flowering branches wherever you can. Go lush and big or small and scattered. Remember to pare things down, streamline your accessories, simplify your surfaces, and remove heavy layers and textures. Rearrange what you currently have. Move them from one end of the shelf or from one room to another room altogether. You don't have to shop for the latest home decor trends. Just change up your own cherished pieces and give them new life in new locations. Color and aromatherapy is a great way to bring that intensity of spring to life inside your home. With every new season, it's always fun to look back on past trends in design and decor. I've got several videos highlighting spring decor, so be sure to check back in with those videos. I'll link them all below. And pillow decor is such a big part of changing out the look and feel of your home. So if you want to know more about pillows and how to decorate with them, be sure to check out this video. Everything you need to know about pillows, I'll link it below. Also, make sure to head to my Patreon page and become a patron. Not only can you support this channel and help me make more videos, but I've also got a special VIP tier where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. So if you need personalized interior design advice from me, it's a great way to connect. Head to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Let me know in the comments below which of these design ideas you're loving for spring and incorporating into your own home. I'm excited to read your thoughts. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.